I'm at the Ho Chi Minh Fine Arts Museum today. There's a special exhibition, Ho Chi Minh Portrait of Man. So let's check out. Looks very nice. Wow. It's like French colony architecture. And there's a long spiral staircase right here. The tallest floor, level 4 of the Fine Arts Museum right here. I think this museum has been here for many years because it's starting to show the signs of the wear and tear. All these are the modern arts before 1975. Actually, there are many museums in Saigon. This was just one of them. Feels a bit depressing to walk through these walls because it's quite old. And secondly, not many visitors today on the 1st of September, but it's okay. Just keep an open mind. Don't go through this though. Wow, some kind of Buddha statue right here. It's level 3. I noticed the frames colors are different for most of the gallery because just now it was like in golden frame and now it's like in black. National treasure. Oh, there's echo here because of the cold room. There's aircon here, surprisingly. I mean, some of the room stamps, some doesn't have the aircon, depends. And this is the first set of stamps in Vietnam by the designer Minh Sang, right here. Alright, the price, admission fee 30,000 dong. We compare the other museum, it's like in the mid-range, although it's not expensive. For Warren Museum, 40,000. It seems that this area is a favorite spot for the young people to take photos, couples, families, and friends. Okay, exercise right here. Oh, there are pigeons. The balcony. Look guys, I found the longest portrait right here, the red color one. It's actually a few meters, maybe up to 10 meters, and this is by the artist Minh Ji. Over here we have sketches of the Southern Resistance War. Some of these portraits look simple, but then they have a lot of meaning behind it. I noticed something a bit unusual and special, that is the window case. It looks a bit like from the cathedral of a church right here. Hey, look at this. The big statues, and they call it the sentiment made of brick wood and bronze. They are lockers, but they are small lockers to put your personal belongings and keep the key card as well. Modern arts after 1975. Alright, this looks a bit confusing and a bit of eye pain right here. It's oil on canvas laboratory with the human faces behind the canvas. Ooh, I like the gold mask. In Chengdu, Sichuan, at the museum, it's just solely about this golden mask. I guess the lacquer on the wood paintings are really good to use it for preserve the paintings. They just last so long, has been over 20 or 30 years. Special exhibition right here about Ho Chi Minh. You only see this during special days. Contributed a lot to the country, and the local Vietnamese respect him too much, very much. So on the ground level now, these are really some interesting exhibits today at the Fine Arts Museum. Subscribe if you enjoyed the video so far and give a like so that more people can find the video. Thanks very much. And right here we have more of the war, Vietnam War stuff, the portraits. We're approaching the Li Padang art space, those kind of the wedding or stuff. I mean the setup, very artistic. Okay, some of the, I think I don't understand much of the exhibits right here. Portrait of the dome, the Vietnam dome or something like this. Oh, the description, two-sided Guan Yin statue. Oh, now I get the meaning. You just look at the form of it. This will be the final, the last row in the abstract art. Abstract art right here at the Ho Chi Minh Fine Arts Gallery. It's just quite amazing of these portraits. You take some time to understand what is the portrait about, so we call it the abstract art. Special exhibition Ho Chi Minh. We get to see this on very special occasions, like tomorrow is National Day. Look at this. If you see this at night, it is scary. Come check out the library the next time you are here. I think it closed very early.